students. Hello and good morning. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Yes, I'm fine. So welcome you all to another exciting and new video class of Milestone School and College. So hope you all are fine. Yes. And you know me, right? This is Maliha Salsabi, teacher of Milestone School and College from Sector 14. Okay, students, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Okay, before that I want to tell you something. You know what is democracy? Yes, correct. It's expressing one's own opinion. And have you ever shown democratic attitude in class at your school? Yes, definitely. And at your class, whenever we do select your class captain, what we do? Yes, we do take your opinion also, whom you want to be the class captain, isn't it? Yes, and after that we select him or her as your class captain or class monitor. So that is you are showing democratic attitude at school also. So this is how democracy begins. And you know what is tolerance and what is having patience? Yes, you need to have patience. Suppose see if any of your friend is doing something wrong, at that time will you get angry at him or her like with no reason, and suddenly you get so much angry? Is that will be good? No, that is not good. That would be a bad human character. You know, you must have to show patience. You must need to be patient at any situation. That's a good quality of human being. Okay, students? Okay. And you know, like at home also you can show democratic attitude. How? Suppose your parents are planning to go to a picnic. At that time, what you can do? You can share your opinion. Ma or Papa, I have my exam recently, so it's not better. It's good if we don't go now. Rather, if we go later on, it will be better for us. So, by hearing your opinion, your parents may take some other decision also. That is, you are participating in the opinion of your family. That is, you are showing democratic attitude at your home also, right? Yes. So my dear students, you know, this is what you have learned in your previous class, isn't it? So that was what? That was chapter name was tolerant. So it's time to start our review class. As you know what we do, every time before starting the class we do review of our previous lesson, isn't it? So my dear students, it's time to do the review. So what if we do our review in whiteboard? Yes, now we will do review of our previous lesson in whiteboard. As you know, I am missing your whiteboard very much, and you also, right? Okay, so let's start our... My dear students, so as you have learned each and every topic of chapter 6, now it's time to do a review. From chapter 6 in your previous class, you have learned about short question answer, broad question answer, filling the blanks, matching, isn't it? Okay, now I will ask you some feedback filling the blanks and see whether you have learned your lesson or not. Before that, give your online classwork number. What is your online classwork number? That is 42. Okay, students, now see. The very first filling the blanks for you is, when somebody speaks, we should not dash them. What will be here, students? Guess what? Yes, we will not disturb them. Very good. So I am writing it in the board. D-I-S-T-R-U-B. Disturb. Okay, students? So the next filling the blanks for you is, we will show dash to the opinion of all. Guess what? Very good. Clap for you. We will show respect. I'm writing it. We will show respect to the opinion of all. Then number 3 is, we need to dash others to express their opinion. Guess what? As you have learned the book. Yes, it is, we need to allow others. So I'm writing it A-double-L-O-W. Okay, students? Then the next one. Tolerance helps people to live with what, students? Yes, it is intimacy. So I am writing the spelling I and then T-I. Yes, very good. M-A-C-Y. Intimacy. Then the last one. Tolerance is a measure dash. Who want to answer? Everyone wants to answer. Okay, tell. It is a measure social quality. Very good. S-O-C-I-A-L. Social. Then quality. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Okay. Very good, my dear students. So as you have answered me each and every question answers perfectly, now I will move to our today's class. So get ready with your pencil, copy and what? Yes, and with your book. My dear students, back from the board, now we are going to start our today's topic. Okay, students, open your Bangladesh and Global Studies book. So now we are going to learn chapter 7, that is the dignity of work. As this is your revision class, you will answer me everything. I will not tell anything. So my dear students, what is manual occupation? Yes, the physical work that is done by human is mainly manual occupation. And what is professional occupation? Very good, students. It indicates that a person has received a degree allowing them to practice a profession, that is, it may be doctor, it may be teacher. Okay, very good answer. I am so happy with you. Then what is legal occupation, students? Yes, you know, every citizen has to abide by law to maintain peace and discipline in the society. A person who violates law and order and does offenses, he or she has to be punished. And those who are doing and giving punishments to those criminals or those who are violating the law are engaged with legal occupations. Correct. Very good, my dear students. Now I want to show you a video where you can see that what people of different occupations do actually and what is their work. Are you ready, students? Okay.
TV show.
You can see different professions.
Hi, I'm a doctor. My job is to treat patients. Hi, I'm an engineer. My job is to build roads and buildings.
Okay. Then?
Hi kids, I'm a teacher. My job is to teach students.
Okay.
Hi, I'm a policeman. My job is to catch thieves. Hi, I'm a pilot. My job is to operate aeroplane. Hi, I'm a scientist. My job is to invent new things. Hi, I'm a soldier. My job is to protect the nation. Hi, I'm a chef. My job is to cook food in hotels and restaurants. Hi, I'm a postman. My job is to deliver post. Hi, I'm a bus driver. My job is to drive the bus.
So my my dear students, you have enjoyed the video where you have learned about different type of occupations people and what is their work, what is their job. So now let's move to the chapter. Dear students, in your book you have learned about manual occupations, isn't it? Yes, and let me ask you, what you can see in the picture, who are they? Yes, they are factory workers. What factory workers generally do? Yes, they work for a long schedule of time and they sew clothes, and those clothes, after fulfilling our country's demand, what we do? We do export in foreign countries, and by that we are earning foreign currency. Thus, this is one of the biggest industry of our country, isn't it? Yes. Then what you can see in the picture there? Yes, they are cleaners. As you can see, clean street and clean floor in your houses, in your office, in school. So who are keeping this floor and street clean? Yes, they are cleaners. You know, they are keeping our environment neat and clean and free from dirt. Okay. Then, as you can see in the picture, they are transport worker. As you know that what rickshaw puller do? Rickshaw puller in hot sunny days, again in heavy rainy days, what they do? They take us from one place to another. Isn't it a very hard job? Yes. Other than rickshaw puller, there are many other transport workers also. They are like bus drivers, then truck drivers, okay, car drivers. They are also transport workers. So we have learned about what? We have learned about factory workers, we have learned about cleaners, we have learned about transport workers. So what type of occupation they are doing? Yes, very good. They are doing manual occupation. Okay, students? My dear students, what you can see in the picture? Yes, they are office worker. What they do? Yes, they work in offices and they help to make things happen actually, right? And as you can see in the picture, they generally work on, correct, on computer. Okay. And then you are seeing what? Businessmen. What businessmen actually do? They make goods and sell that goods in the market. And you know, locally those goods are sold by whom? By sales representatives. Okay, so you know, when a good is produced, after that those goods need to be sold in the market with profit, isn't it? Other than that, we can't earn profit. So as like businessmen, sales representatives are also performing important role, isn't it? Okay. Then who is this? Correct, this is police. So how police are helping us? Yes, police help us to catch the criminals. And what they do? Yes, they also, sometimes we can see them in the street also. So what they do in the street? Yes, they ensure that the vehicles or persons can move safely on the roads also, isn't it? And whenever we face any problem, what police do? Yes, police help us by taking the criminals to court. Then, who is this? Yes, this is lawyer. What lawyer do actually? Very good. Lawyer help people by legal aid. What is this legal aid, students? Yes, legal aid is suppose a person, he or she is in problem. So what he or she will do? He or she will hire a lawyer. So lawyer will listen the problem of that person. If that person is correct, or is if that person is true, at that time lawyer will work for him or her. Lawyer will take the case in hand, and with legal laws of the country, lawyer will talk in favor of him or her in court. Okay. Then as you can see in the picture, who is he? Yes, this is judge. What judge do actually? Judge hears both sides of the case, that is, and identify with legal law who is the victim and who is the criminal, and by following the legal law of the country, he or she punish the criminal, okay, and help the victim. Okay, my dear students? Dear students, though you have learned the chapter before and now I have discussed overall everything from the chapter, now I am going to ask you some related short question answers. Okay, are you ready for that? Okay, my dear student, it's time to check. Name one occupation that is done manually. Very good answer. You know, manual occupation or manual work is physical work that is done by people. So one occupation done manually is factory worker. My dear students, remember, for each and every short question answers, you will get 2 marks. So for 2 marks, you have to write at least 2 sentences. Okay? Okay. Then the next question is, what professional jobs are done in hospital? Can you give me the answer? Very good. In hospitals, there are doctors and nurses. So doctor cure our diseases and nurse take care of the sick people. Clap for you, my dear students. Perfect answer. Okay. Then the next question is, what is the purpose of legal occupation? Who can tell? Who can tell? Everyone want to tell. Okay, you tell. Yes, very good answer. People work in legal jobs in order to help law and order in our society and to stop criminals who break the law. Very good, my dear students. Next, I want to ask you, how should we behave with people of different kinds of job? Should we behave rudely? No. Yes. You know, every occupation has importance in the society. Therefore, all type of occupations or work deserve equal dignity. So we will behave well with people of all occupation. Okay? Okay. So now who will tell me what is the major responsibility of police? Very good answer. Police work to protect the law and order of the country. So their major responsibility is to bring the criminals to the court. Perfect answer, my dear students. Wow, I am impressed with you. You have learned the lessons perfectly. Now, I want to ask you one related broad question answer. As you have learned, yes, so I think you can answer. Which do you think are the hardest job to do? Can anyone tell me? You know, for broad question answer, how many marks is there? Yes, there is 6 marks. Okay. So, you have to write, you can write like this, and I'm telling it, according to me, the hardest job is manual work. Isn't it? As the manual workers are working physically, right? Okay. Manual occupation or manual work is physical work done by people. There are different types of manual workers in our society. There are factory workers, there are laborers, drivers, cleaners, etc. They have to work very hard for their livelihood. They work mainly on the street, factory, at office, etc. They also play important role in the society. So, we should give respect to every kind of job. Okay, my dear students?
Now I am going to discuss one related CVQ, that is competency based question and answer. As you know, for competency based question answer, what you have to do? Yes, for competency based question answer and as well as for descriptive question answer, you have to write at first introduction, then you have to write minimum 4 points and then a conclusion line. But it's better if you write at least 5 points. See, here is a sample competency based question from your chapter. Write about the activities of people of 5 occupation in the society. So my dear students, as this chapter is related to different type of occupations. In this chapter, you have learned about different types of occupations, isn't it? So from there, you can write any 5 occupations. Before that, you have to write a introduction. That I have written is, people of different occupations perform their respective works to earn livelihood. The activities of people of 5 occupations are described below. So the first point and the first occupation that I have written is about judge. The judge hears both sides of the case. With his wisdom, the judge decides the judgment according to legal procedure. Then I have written about lawyer. Lawyers help the court by explaining law. Then what office worker do, my dear students? Yes, office workers help to make things happen or provide information for other people. Then you have learned about cleaners, right? Cleaners work in schools and offices, hospitals and in the street to keep our environment clean and safe. Then I have written about businessmen. Business people import goods from where? Yes, abroad, and export goods to, very good, foreign countries. So this is how I have written 5 type of occupation. After that, you can write is, these are the 5 type of occupation in the society. Okay, my dear students. So this is how you will just rearrange the competency based question and descriptive question also.
My dear students, it's time to read related filling the blanks. As you know from where filling the blanks will come? Yes, it will come from your textbook. So for that you have to learn each and every sentence of your textbook. Okay? Now I will ask you some filling the blanks. Are you ready? Yes. So the first one is, business is often concerned with dash and dash goods. What is the answer? As you have learned the chapter properly and I have also discussed. Yes, very good. That is buying and selling goods. Business is often concerned with buying and selling goods. Okay. Then the next one is, police work to protect the dash and dash of the country. What will be the answer? Very good. Law and order of the country. Then the next one is, lawyers play a very important role during dash. What will be here? Perfect answer. It is during trials. Then the next one is, lawyer help the court by dash law. Guess what? Yes, explaining law. Okay? Very good. Then police bring the dash to the court. Whom? Very good answer. Criminals. Society needs many different kinds of dash. Guess what? Perfect. Occupation. Society needs many different kinds of occupations. The judge hears both sides of the case with the what? Yes, very good. With the wisdom. Okay? Now, I want to ask you that whether you can do matching or not. Okay? So, here is the question for you. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Here is column A and here is column B. So, guess with doctor, which one will go? Very good. What doctors do? They provide health service. And with police, which one? Very good. Bring criminals to the court. And with lawyers, help the what? Court by explaining law. Okay. Then we need cleaners for from the rest to which one will be? To keep our environment clean and safe. Very good answer. Then we use transport. Then one is left, that is for transportation of human and goods. Very good. Clap for you, students. Very good. Okay, my dear students, see, here is your textbook picture. So from this page, if you read each and every line properly, then you can answer this filling the blanks. So as we have done with each and every items, now I want to take some feedback. Okay, factory workers work long hours to make dash for dash. So from factory workers topic of page number 32, you have learned what they work for long hours to make clothes for export. So in the first filling the blanks there will be clothes, and in the second one there will be export. Very good. Then we need cleaners to keep our environment dash and dash. So from cleaners topic, as you can see, we have learned this, isn't it? It's direct line from the book. So what will be in the blank? Very good. First there will be clean, and in the second filling the blanks there will be safe. So we need cleaners to keep our environment clean and safe. My dear students, look after the spellings also, okay? Then the third one, as you can see, is we need dash to operate transport. So from page number 32, you have learned about transport workers, isn't it? So this is also direct line from book, and what is the answer? Very good. We need drivers to operate transport. Okay. Then I will take feedback from page number 34 also. You have done reading practice of 34 number page? Yes. So see, we have learned about office workers, isn't it? So the first feedback filling the blanks is office workers usually work on dash. What will be here, my dear students? Very good. Here it will be they work on computers. Okay. Then locally selling is done through dash and dash. So what will be here? As you have learned that what business and sales management people are doing? Yes, locally selling is done through markets and shops. Very good answer. Then dash build roads and bridges. Who build roads and bridges? From people of different professions. What people of different professions do? You have learned who build roads and bridges? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. They are engineers. What is the spelling, my dear student? It is E-N-G-I-N-E-E-R-S. Engineers. Very good. Then you have done reading practice of page number 36 also, isn't it? So from this page, now I am going to ask you some feedback filling the blanks. Okay? Police also help people to move safely on the dash. Guess what? Very good. Road. Yes. Then the next one is lawyer help the people by dash. What lawyer do? Very good. By explaining law. My dear students, this is your second time revision. Okay, so you have answered me all the filling the blank short question answers perfectly. So let's do another review that which items we have learned today. We have learned filling the blanks, then we have learned matching, we have learned short question answers, we have learned descriptive question answers, and we have learned competency based question answers also. So these all 5 items will come in your exam, right? So you will take a very good preparation in all the items. For that, you will read all the related sheets that has been given by your class teacher. Again, you will learn the chapter thoroughly, actually, because all things will not come from sheets, isn't it? Okay. So I hope you will be doing very good in your second term exam. Wish you all the best, and thanks for watching me and watching your video class. Okay, stay with Milestone School and College, my dear students. Thank you.